A crown stapler is a handheld tool mostly used in framing houses, installing carpets, constructing furniture, securing installations, fastening wire mesh, or applying roofing materials. They securely bind materials together using staples with round or flat heads. This binding tool can often be overlooked as many are unfamiliar with its advantages. Although it isn't popular like some other basic tools, crown staplers are a great investment and they can handle a variety of applications with ease. If you're still wondering how this powerful handheld tool can help you, stay tuned to this video as we reveal the benefits and features of the top 5 crown staplers on the market today. We aim to give our viewers the best and most unbiased reviews, so rest assured that all these products in this video are a perfect addition to your tool arsenal. And now if you're ready to see what we have, let's begin. Topping the list of the best crown staplers comes the brand trusted by millions of homeowners and craftsmen, the Ryobi 18V 1 Plus AirStrike 18GA Narrow Crown Stapler. Introducing the latest addition to the Ryobi AirStrike family, this model boasts the Airless technology that takes out the need for an air compressor, hose, or gas cartridges. It offers hassle-free setup and smooth maneuvering so you can do your tasks effortlessly. What most buyers like about this product are its unique features that make any task easier to finish. One of those is the selectable drive switch that operates in 2 modes: single sequential mode and contact actuation mode. There's also a switch where you can select which mode to use. The toothless depth of drive adjustment enables precise staple settings, while the adjustment dial helps with air pressure. Another useful feature is the dry fire lockout that prevents the stapler from firing, and the low staple indicator light lets you know when it's time to reload. The Ryobi 18V 1 Plus AirStrike 18GA Narrow Crown Stapler magazine has a capacity of up to 105 staples. In a single charge, you can fire up to 1,000 staples, making it possible to fire 60 staples per minute. At that rate, you can finish your projects without reloading frequently. But that's not all. This tool also comes with 2 non-marring pads to prevent unwanted marks on the work surface. Its belt hook easily mounts on the right or left side, making it more convenient for both right or left-handers. Also, for more comfortable operation, there's the new and improved Grip Zone Overmold that'll make your hand feel at ease even in intensive working applications. This crown stapler from Ryobi is compatible with all Ryobi 18V 1 Plus batteries. It includes sample staples, a belt clip, and an operator's manual. Batteries and charger are sold separately. At number 2 on our list is the 20V Max XR 18GA Cordless Narrow Crown Stapler Kit by DeWalt. If you're searching for a powerful crown stapler to use in different projects, search no further than the DeWalt DCN681. This model utilizes a brushless motor powered by a lithium-ion battery that eliminates the need for noisy compressors, bulky hoses, or expensive gas. Compared to other crown staplers on the market, it's compact yet more powerful when it comes to runtime and performance. The DeWalt DCN681 18-gauge narrow crown stapler utilizes 18-gauge 1/4-inch narrow crown staples ranging in length from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches. It can operate in 2 modes, sequential or contact actuation mode, which can be switched easily using the tool-free selectable trigger. This amazing product also features the tool-free depth adjustment that enables precise countersinking of staples. It comes equipped with a multifunctional LED light that not only provides added illumination on the work surface, but also indicates that the battery is low or if there's a problem with the tool. To prevent dry firing and unwanted tool marks, DeWalt has also added a low nail lockout feature for this model. The DeWalt DCN681 includes an integrated tool-free stall release lever that makes resetting of the drive blades fast and hassle-free. There's also an adjustable belt hook that can be based on your preference. Best of all, the stapler has bottom load magazines, therefore loading and removing jammed fasteners is not a problem. The product also comes with a 20 amp battery, charger, and kit bag where you can conveniently store this tool. With the 20 volt Max XR, you can get the performance and power of a corded stapler without the cord. Did you like the first two crown staplers we've shared? If you think our top two don't match the power you need, continue watching as we still have 3 more to unveil. As always, the links to these products in the video are in the description box, so if you ever see the one you need, don't hesitate to click the link below. If you're ready to see the next crown staplers on the market, then let's get back to our list. At number 3 is the NS150C 18 gauge 1.5 inch narrow crown stapler kit by Porter. Complete your tool arsenal with a powered hand tool that you can use in a wide range of applications. The Porter NS150C has a standard operating pressure of 70 to 120 psi, utilizing the 18 gauge 1/4 inch crown staples that can range from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches in length. It features the sequential style trigger that makes any application a breeze. This model also makes it possible to adjust the staple depth without using tools or keys. It holds up to 100 staples and has a low staple reload indicator to let you know in advance when it's time to reload. With that, you can now focus on your task without having to check the tool from time to time. Equipped with a rubber nose that prevents the tool from leaving marks on the work surface, and a soft rubber grip that makes your hands more comfortable even in the most intensive job site applications, you can rest assured you're getting the best value for your money. If you compare this model to other crown staplers on the market, you'll notice that what makes it stand out is its unique features that are designed to make every operation more convenient. One of those features is the split nose design that makes it easy to clear the jam so you can do your project without interruptions. Next is the rear exhaust that directs the debris away from the working area. Porter knows we like to have a clean work area. Best of all, the stapler is engineered with a durable driver blade and a maintenance-free motor that's built to last and withstand even the toughest work applications. The tool also includes sample staples, 1/4 inch fittings, and a blow-molded carrying case. At number 4 on our list is the Makita XTS01Z 18 volt LXT lithium-ion cordless 3/8 crown stapler. If you need a stapler that can get you through the most intensive applications, this amazing product is what you need. With its brushless motor powered by the XLT lithium-ion battery, the XTS01Z can deliver up to 50% more runtime and a 50% longer motor life. Having it part of Makita's expanding 18 volt lithium-ion series, you can enjoy the remarkably fast charge time and extended battery life. The tool drives a full range of crown staples from 3/8 of an inch to 7/8 of an inch in length that easily flushes into hardwoods like oak, maple, cherry, and more. As for its magazine, the XTS has an aluminum magazine that ensures smooth loading and feeding of staples. It efficiently holds up to 98 staples, giving you more time to finish the tasks. And to make it more convenient, the magazine also has a unique window that lets you view the remaining staples so you know when it's time to reload. The Makita XTS01Z is on par with heavy-duty corded staplers, but it's more lightweight at just 5.3 pounds. Not only its compact size, but it also has a rubberized grip handle that provides added comfort while working. More than the construction, Makita equips this model with star protection that safeguards the tool from overloading, over-discharging, and overheating. It's compatible with the brand's 18 volt lithium-ion batteries with a star symbol. You can also avail yourself of Makita's 3-year warranty against defects on workmanship or material starting from the date you purchase. And finally, at number 5 is the Freeman Pneumatic 16-gauge 2-inch medium crown stapler. This powerful tool is indispensable for those who are home remodelers or restorers. If you're wondering why, the Freeman Pneumatic 16-gauge crown stapler is suitable for a wide range of applications like wall sheathing, roof decking, constructing pallets, and performing other general stapling purposes. No wonder it's considered a construction stapler. When it comes to performance, this top-rated product has a standard operating pressure of 70 psi, and it drives 18-gauge staples with a 7/16 inch crowns ranging from 3/4 of an inch to 2 inches in length. Its anodized aluminum magazine can hold as many as 140 staples. Its cylinder is also made of anodized aluminum, so you can guarantee that the work will last for decades. And to make things more durable, Freeman also equips this stapler with a one-piece drive blade. Another impressive feature that makes most of this product and makes it stand out is the quick jam release button that frees users from jammed fasteners. It also gives you the power to adjust the staple drive depth without using complex tools or hex keys. Plus, it lets you enjoy a fast, hassle-free operation using a bump trigger. Last but not least, the construction of the stapler. Freeman built it with rugged magnesium body that's exceptionally durable and lightweight. It has a comfort grip handle that reduces fatigue and gives you more control over the tool. There's also a belt hook to keep the stapler accessible at all times. This model is covered by Freeman's 7-year limited warranty and 90-day wearable parts warranty. And there you have it, the top 5 best crown staplers on the market. If you're looking for a useful gift for the contractor or DIY enthusiast in your family, make sure to click the link in the description box. It's always our pleasure to help you find the right tool for your unique needs, so if there's another tool you'd like to see us feature, just write your suggestion in the comment box and we'll do our best to include it in our next video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and tap the bell icon to stay updated with the latest happenings. By subscribing, you can watch more of our videos that feature a wide array of products. Plus, you get to be part of our growing community. So what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and be one of our ReviewTube community members. That sums up our review of the best crown staplers. Thanks for watching us here at the ReviewTube channel.